G'day guys, it's Elliot from JLM Lubricants Australia. Today we're going to be working through JLM's DPF cleaning toolkit. It uses a two-step process to completely clean any soot blockage from the diesel particulate filter without pulling it off the car or any disassembly. So to use this toolkit, you apply the fluid into the DPF through the pressure sensor. So first we need to find where that is. In this case, it's just here next to the turbocharger. We need to find the hose that runs into the front of the DPF from the front pressure sensor. It's just here, so we're going to disconnect the hose. We're going to take the conical nozzle of the DPF cleaning toolkit and we're going to stick it in there. Taking the first stage cleaning fluid, we're going to pour that into the tank of the DPF cleaning toolkit. We'll connect the toolkit's bottle back onto the handle and get a nice firm grip. Place an oil collection pan under the back of the exhaust to collect up any waste foam from the cleaning solution. Connect your air compressor to your DPF cleaning toolkit and start the engine of your vehicle. With all the systems connected and running, it's time to start putting the cleaning fluid into the diesel particulate filter. Sometimes it's a good idea to pulse the trigger and spray the DPF cleaning fluid into the filter in short increments. This will allow for the fluid to effectively fill up the entire DPF and break down any soot particles that are building up in there. Once we're done with the cleaning fluid, we're going to swap the fluids over and start flushing the DPF. A few kicks of the throttle will help clear any remaining fluid out of the exhaust. Make sure you collect up any waste fluids from the exhaust and dispose of them properly. When you're done with the cleaning fluid, disconnect your toolkit, reconnect your DPF pressure sensor, and make sure you give your toolkit a good rinse just with water to keep it in good condition. Take the car for a quick road test just to make sure that there's no underlying issues with your DPF that still haven't been rectified. So there you have it guys, the JLM Lubricants DPF cleaning toolkit. As you can see, it's very quick, it's very efficient, and a great way to clear any soot blockage from your diesel particulate filter. If you want to get your hands on a DPF cleaning toolkit or refill fluids for your shop or garage, visit www.jlmlubricants.com.au or contact your local JLM dealer.